Thanks for watching GTU, everybody. We all know it's best to keep our faces out of the sun, but if you still want that glow, bronzers are the way to go. Here's Missy Lovett.
Hey ladies and Brian, I miss you all so much and I cannot wait to be back on set with you. Now today I'm sharing some tips on how to achieve the perfect summer glow, and the very first step is self-tanner. So Nisha, I know you and I have spoken many times about this topic, how we don't like self-tanners because they stink, they usually are orange or they have streaks. Girl, I've got you covered because South Seas is my new favorite go-to self-tanner. This is their Tahitian Glow and it's like a lotion formula and it smells incredible. It's like a chocolate coconut paradise and I absolutely love it. It gives my skin like a really natural glow. So I know you will love this product. It's only $22, you guys, for this huge bottle, by the way. Moving on to makeup, I wanted to find an inexpensive bronzer that you could just throw into your summer makeup bag. And I found that Wet n Wild has their Color Icon bronzers that are not only beautiful, they're $5. So I was able to grab all those shades, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize their darkest shade as well as a medium shimmer shade. Okay, so to start this look, we're going to take our brush, which is kind of like a tighter brush, so it's not like your powder brushes, which are a little bit too flimsy, which could make product go all over. So with a tighter little brush, it's going to control where we place the product. We're going to start with the darkest bronzer that we have. And this one is called What Shady Beaches, and it's number 743B. So it's that dark, pretty color. So we're going to take this, load it up onto the brush, and we're going to start almost like you do with contouring. So we're going to start this color back at the top of the ear, and we're just going to bring that in to about the middle of the cheek, and then move upwards to blend it up and out. So you're bringing it in from the middle of the cheek and then up and out to the temples. So we're really covering this whole area. So you're actually extending this area further than you would with your contour powder. So we're gonna load that up again, do the same thing on the other side. Start from the ear, bring it in about halfway, and then you're just gonna buff that back out towards the temples. And that gives us that really nice bronzy finish there. Now using the same color, same brush, we're also going to rub this in to the top of our forehead. Follow the hairline around. So that's where you're going to do the darker one. You can also run this under the jawline. So we really are treating this like a contour powder almost, except for it does have a little bit more of a shimmer to it. So once you've done that, you're going to move on to a lighter color of bronzer, and I think I want to try Sunset Striptease, which is a really pretty shimmery one. So this one is going to be the next step. So you're going to take that same brush, load it up, and now this time we're going to be focusing on the apples of the cheek, and then you're also going to be coming across the nose. Now normally you don't put bronzer across the nose. That's a no-no in my book anyway. So what we're going to want to do for this beachy glow, you do go ahead and apply this really pretty medium bronzer that has quite a bit of shimmer in it across the bridge of the nose, right underneath the eye, and connect it back to your cheekbones. So it's also going on the apples of the cheek, up into the top of the cheekbones. But see, we're keeping this color kind of on the top and not bringing it down below where that darker bronzer is. So it just gives us a really pretty shimmer. Can you see that, you guys? How beautiful that glow is? It's amazing. So if you want to up your glow even more, go ahead and take that same color and you're just going to bring that into the middle of the forehead right here like that. So you could just leave it like that, add your lashes, add your mascara, whatever you want to do to your eyes to finish off your look, and you're ready to go and you've got that beautiful beach glow. But for my girls out there that want a little more illumination, I also grabbed the Wet n Wild Mega Glow. Now this is their illuminating palette in Catwalk Pink, and it has a lot of shimmer to it. So this is going to be a great way to just add a little bit more luminosity. You're going to take a smaller brush, and it has a variety of colors, so you're getting from your golds to your pinks to your pearls. So you're going to take your brush and just swipe it through all of those colors, load it up like that, and be sure to tap off any excess so that we're not turning our face into a disco ball. And then you're going to want to go ahead and start on top of the cheekbones here. Now see how that's just adding just this beautiful luminosity to that, just really elevating that whole summer glow. Now with this, you can also just dot a little bit on the tip of the nose and on the chin. Now that my skin has that beautiful summer glow, I really like to finish this look with eye makeup that matches. So I tend to stick with colors that are a little more warm. So like your coppers, your bronzes, some warm browns, and that really adds to this look as well. So there you have it, all my tips for achieving the perfect summer glow. Anisha, I'm sending you a bottle of this, babe, so watch the mailbox.
I need that. Missy, I'm looking for it. I will totally use it. Thank you so much. Up next, everybody, on GTU, the recipe for pork kebabs.